Hello, in this video I will show you how to configure the Omnisend integration with Affiliate Press. Go to the Affiliate Press add-ons page. This is the Affiliate Press Features add-on page. Now activate the Omnisend integration. Integration is activated. Now click the Configure button. This is the Omnisend integration configuration page. Omnisend requires an API key. Now go to the Omnisend dashboard page. Open the Store Settings page. Now open the API tab. Here you can see the API keys list. Now create a new API. Enter the API name and click to Create API Key button. The API key is created. Now copy it, go to the backend side, and paste it. Now click to Verify button. Now Omnisend is configured successfully. Click to New Tag button and add new tags. You can add multiple tags and also remove them tags. Click to Save button and save your changes. Now go to the front-end side Affiliate Press Signup page. This is the Affiliate Press Signup page. Now enter the basic details. Now click to Create Account button. Registration is now complete, and the user is redirected to the Affiliate Panel page. Open the Audience Contacts page. This is the Contacts page where you can see newly added user data. Here you can also see the tags. Now, go to the backend side Affiliates page. Here you can see the All Affiliates record and also the newly added affiliate user.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.